Back home, we have a lunch plan with a few of my friends, Arslan and Hassan. Along with me, we have Fazan. Yeah, the special appearance from Arslan. And we are going at Food Point. They have this very special dish called mutton machli. Guys, check this out. Fazan has his own channel, Front End Guy. Here's the bindi. Guys, the food actually keeps on getting better and better. Arslan, you'll try it and you'll let us know your review.
रोटी के ऊपर जो है ये चटनी है.
This is the kebab kadahi.
The sauce is very good and it is very special made.
Not too spicy. Kebab का taste and aroma is there.
Oh goodness. The main scenes are over here. MashaAllah. Tender and juicy.
First time try किया. Too good. ऐसा अभी तक खाया ही नहीं है. Not even in Pakistan.
चोपड़ी रोटी
First time try किया. चटनी
वो पूरे रियाज में नहीं है किसी के पास. ये हमने ही फर्स्ट टाइम इधर इंट्रोड्यूस किया चोपड़ी रोटी.
speaker.
There's a speaker? No way.
Remove the speaker before washing.
Oh my goodness. It has a speaker in it. Man.
Normally if you go to restaurants तो वो इतनी कस्टमर सर्विस नहीं देंगे आप.
नहीं वाकई नहीं देंगे यार.
तो वो ये जो इनका मैनेजर है जुनेद, is very good. और बात
Look at this wonderful kheer and the gulab jamuns. Now guys, we are in a different hall. Check out the ambience of this place and the decor. And this is actually the family hall. Yeah. Thank you Junaid. Thank you for your
very good service.
Thank you, sir.
hospitality. How was the food? How was the restaurant?
जबरदस्त, बहुत बेहतरीन था.
बहुत बेहतरीन.
बड़ा मजा आया. हालांकि दूर था लेकिन हमने चांस ले लिया भाई. ये पहले जो है ना ट्राई किया हुआ था. हमने कहा चलो चलते हैं.
It was worth it.
वरना तो पुराने खा के हम लोग वहाँ पे एक ही रेस्टोरेंट मिला हुआ है. 3-4 बार उधर जा के खा के तो ये कुछ डिफरेंट था.
Different था वाकई. Yeah, once again we are headed towards Dunkin in Arslan's very comfortable and fabulous car. Guys, check out the pigeons in the sky flying very low. Check this out guys, we have a gadget, we are gonna try this. Oh, you can set the level over here. Now that's how to do it like a pro. Yeah. Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the vlog from the city of the east, as one of my friend said one time, from Riyadh actually. And it was after the Friday prayer. I'm headed back home. We have a lunch plan with a few of my friends, Arslan and Hassan. I'll head back home and from there we'll tag along and then we'll leave for the lunch. But anyways, I was gonna record one video on my Urdu channel where I share my experiences with the Urdu audience. But the vlog channel is this one, however, that is just for sharing the experiences. And well, that's pretty much the plan right now. I had work in the morning and after that Jummah, then lunch, then we'll see what comes next. But I have quite a lot of videos to edit as well, and tomorrow we have work again. So I'm taking a shortcut to save time. There's the mosque, the sidewalk is over there, but we are taking this shortcut. Check this out guys, taking a shortcut from this alley. On one hand side we have a living compound. As you know, these compounds that we have here in Saudi, and on this one there's a apartment complex. And well, look at the scenes over here. Here we go. The actual sidewalk is over there on that side. Nah. ठीक हो गया. हाँ जी, बेस्ट है पीछे. So after Jummah, we are finally here at Food Point in Naseem Al Gharabi. Along with me, we have Fazan. first time I'm meeting Fazan. How are you? How was your day?
Alhamdulillah, great. What about you?
I'm also good. And
As
the
usual, I
special,
should be there, yeah.
yeah, the special appearance from Arslan. And the last vlog we had, it was an occasional one. You remember at night?
So where
Yeah.
are we going today?
We are going at Food Point. They have this very special dish called mutton machli.
Okay, let's
We are
see.
gonna try that.
Highly recommended.
Highly
by-
recommended. Yeah, exactly.
आपका इंटरव्यू करवा देते हैं इनसे
हाँ, करवाइए आप।
आ जाएगा ना बेटी
फील्ड से रिलेटेड डन करें.
आ दे भिंडी भिंडी
Guys, Fazan subscribe to all of my socials across Insta, TikTok, YouTube. We need that kind of supporters. Thanks, Fazan. And look at this.
एवरी यंग मैन
Guys, check this out. Fazan has his own channel, Front End Guy. That's why he was very supportive of my channel. Yeah. See, so we are sharing this today so that in future, 2 years, 3 years down the road, when we'll be looking at his channel, he might have more subscribers, more views, inshallah. He has taken a break from the channel, but this video is to motivate him to continue on this one. Are you gonna do it or not?
यस यस आई विल ट्राई
You will try.
जी में जा ऑर्डर हो गया सर भिंडी थी मछली बोटी काफ़ी कुछ साइज में
So we have ordered bindi.
भिंडी में
Yeah, bindi. Check this out, guys. Here is the bindi. Wow, look at the size of it.
यस
MashaAllah, wonderful.
वेरी गुड
Yeah. But the main course is actually, we are gonna get the main course. But this is, yeah, in a few minutes. Guys, the food actually keeps on getting better and better. We'll show you what we got. We also have one dish that just arrived. Have a look at this. After this, we are gonna show you the remaining stuff as well. So this is, I think, something special. Yeah. And Arslan, you'll try it and you'll let us know your review.
रोटी के ऊपर जो है ये चटनी है एंड इट्स
It's a green sauce with the butter on this bread.
टू गुड
Yeah.
टू गुड
Check this out, guys.
और नेक्स्ट में
Ah,
दिस इज आल्सो हियर
this is the kebab kadahi. This is the kebabs, and they made karai out of it. Even the bindi is actually quite good, right?
इज वेरी गुड वेरी क्रिस्प
Yeah, very
एंड
good.
नॉर्मली यू विल नॉट फाइंड दिस साइज
Yeah.
ये है कि उन्होंने
And,
खुद लेके कट की हुई है
It's quite
ये
clean.
फ्रोजन नहीं है
Yeah, huh.
नॉट फ्रोजन
It's fresh. Fazan, you have to try out the other stuff.
excellent
There you go. What do you think of it?
the sauce is very good and it is very special made and everything is very good the restaurant is very good yeah
And there's one main dish.
the one main dish is coming yeah it's a surprise
द अल्टीमेट वन
Yeah, thanks. So we are having this this kebab kadahi. So
चलो आप ही
yeah, how's the taste of it? I have tried it before.
ओके लेट मी ट्राई इट
It's you who has to give us the review. The guest has to review the food today. What do you think of it? Yeah, it's actually good. It's actually good. Yeah.
गुड नॉट टू स्पाइसी
Ah,
कबाब का टेस्ट एंड अरोमा इज देयर और वेरी गुड
yeah, it's
वेरी गुड
yeah. We are still waiting. Like Fazan said, it's a surprise. The main meal. We are gonna enjoy that one as well. Guys, we got the main dish, the mutton machli, the one that this restaurant is famous for, and we have to show you like this. Oh goodness.
फिश बोटी चेक
Yeah, it looks like a fish. It's mutton, but
मटन है
mutton and
और ये जरा-
very premium quality mutton with a very good.
सिजलिंग एंड
Yeah.
वेरी सॉफ्ट
Very soft. It's actually soft. Yeah. So we are gonna try this and gonna give you the review in a bit. The guys are already trying the mutton machli and check this out. Yeah. It's a big one. Yeah.
ट्राई रॉ
Yeah. Check this out. The main scenes are over here. The main scenes are over here. MashaAllah.
बहुत गर्म.
What do you think of the taste?
सारी चीज़ों पे टू गुड नहीं कह सकते, बट टू गुड.
Too good, yeah. Too good. Now I'm gonna try this for I don't know the 5th or the 6th time. Check this out, guys. See, it's very tender, very juicy. MashaAllah. Check this out. Like I said, it was quite tender. It really is. See, MashaAllah. Wow. Tender and juicy. Tearing apart like a paper. It's well cooked, really well cooked.
मैं आपको ये चीज़ बताऊँ, फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई किया. टू गुड. ऐसा अभी तक खाया ही नहीं है. नॉट इवन इन पाकिस्तान. नॉट इवन इन पाकिस्तान. इट्स सो गुड. माइनर डिटेल, आपका जो मीट है बहुत साफ़ सुथरा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई बाल हो या समथिंग. फिर जो टेस्ट है वो प्रॉपर टेस्ट है, उसमें कोई हमक नहीं है. कोई उस तरह का वो जो टिपिकल जो दुबई की जो वो आती है वो नहीं है.
इसको पूरा वर्किंग करके इसको पूरा प्रॉपर देख के चेक एंड बैलेंस रखते हैं. स्पेशल ये मीट पे फ्रेश मीट हमारा डेली आता है और हम इस पे चेक एंड बैलेंस रखते हैं कि ज़रा सा किसी किस्म का कस्टमर की कंप्लेन अगर कोई अल्लाह ना करे, खुदा ना खास्ता, कोशिश तो हमारी पूरी होती है. अगर आप ही जाएँ तो हम उसको रिटेन कर देते हैं.
फ्रेशनेस की हम ये बात कर रहे थे कि ये जो भिंडी है ना, ये भी बहुत लग रहा है कि अभी कट के बनी है. ये उसका नहीं, फ्रोजन नहीं लग रही.
फ्रोजन वाली नहीं है. फ्रोजन नहीं.
हमारा खिलाने वाला नहीं है गोश्त, हमारा फ्रेश मीट है. अभी ये आपने देखा नहीं, वो तो आपको अपने कैमरे में चेक तो थोड़ी देर पहले वो अंदर कटिंग कर रहा था. फ्रेश बिल्कुल
वंडरफुल यार.
बहुत अच्छा.
ये चीज़ तो मैंने वाकई नहीं मछली कहीं और ट्राई की थी, और मेरा ख्याल है 6ठी 7वीं दफ़ा मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. और इधर से ही. हाँ.
और जो आपने जो है जुनीद भाई वो जो ट्राई कराई है
जी, चोपड़ी रोटी
फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई की. मैंने वो चटनी
वो पूरे रियाज में नहीं है किसी के पास. ये हमने ही फर्स्ट टाइम इधर इंट्रोड्यूस की है चोपड़ी रोटी.
यार मुझे भी लगता है ये मटन मछली भी इधर नहीं थी. एक रेस्टोरेंट ने आप कॉपी कर लिया.
ये आप कॉपी कर रहे हैं. कॉपी
नहीं.
लेकिन हमारे पास एक और है पंजाबी स्टाइल में.
अच्छा.
वो आप मछली ट्राई कीजिए
नेक्स्ट टाइम.
आप अगर इधर ही हैं तो कल या परसों आप टाइम दीजिएगा, मैं आपको वो ट्राई कराऊंगा. आप ये भूल जाएंगे.
डन.
पापे आपको दिखा भी दिया. नाउ इफ यू हैव टू कम यू कैन.
हाईली
हाँ चले. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. इट्स वेरी गुड यार. मतलब ये नहीं होती कि कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन.
Customer satisfaction is important. We were satisfied with the food, but he went above and beyond to check if we were satisfied, and he gave us a few
also,
things complimentary. Yeah.
we told them that we are from Dammam.
Yeah.
So he says making sure कि customers आ रहे हैं first time के लिए, तो
Yeah, exactly.
they
Yeah.
should enjoy it.
Man, I tried it for 6-7 times. I think this is one of the best dishes
One of
that we can get over
No
here.
doubt.
The kadahi and everything else that you can get other places as well, but this mutton machli and like the cleanliness and each and everything, that was on point. So see, we got some complimentary sweets from them. Thank you so much जी.
ये इनको भी लेना, ये बहुत अच्छा इन्होंने हमें सर्विस दी है.
हाँ बिल्कुल, no doubt. Look at this wonderful kheer and the gulab jamun.
गुलाब जामुन तो अगेन.
Yeah. So we are gonna enjoy the delicacies.
अभी हम जरा इसको ट्राई करते हैं.
We are gonna try the sweet dishes. We have the gulab jamun. Yeah.
गुड ओल्ड ओरिजिनल OG गुलाब जामुन का
OG
टेस्ट
gulab
है.
jamun.
तो ये
I
भी
think
अच्छा.
you should check out this one as well.
हाँ, लेकिन उससे पहले जरा
Yeah.
पानी पी.
Yeah. You need to try this kheer as well.
क्योंकि
फैजान?
आई एम अ बिग
Yeah.
खाने का तो हम फैन हैं.
Let's see what's his review.
नाइस.
Nice. I think kheer is actually good.
अच्छा, खीर ज़्यादा
This
चिपला.
yeah, this rice pudding, guys. It's actually good.
Very good, भाई.
Yeah, I'll try this gulab jamun. Interesting. Now, guys, we are in a different hall. Check out the ambience of this place and the decor. And this is actually the family hall that they have over here. And right now it's vacant, so we got to see this. And it's a very good facilities. Thanks to you guys for having this service as well. You see, yeah.
Even the happy birthday.
You see, if you want to celebrate the birthday, they have this provision as well. Yeah, the decor is actually quite good, and the ambience of this place, the vibes, I mean, like,
Yes.
it's worth it.
For family, it's highly recommended.
Yeah.
Yes, don't forget.
Yeah,
Yeah, Google Pay, you have to give the review.
yeah, exactly.
Yes.
How much did you give?
5 out of 5.
Yeah, definitely. For the food and the environment, 5 out of 5.
नहीं, everything.
Everything. Service as well.
Picture भी लगाइए आप.
No.
It's
Yeah,
very good.
it's worth it. Now I have shown you this. Next time you can come on your
I
own.
am going to come with my boss.
Yeah. Thank you, Junaid. Thank you for your
Very good service. Thank you, sir.
hospitality.
Yes. And
Such a pleasure for us.
most important thing is he made us try the वो chopdi roti.
Chopdi roti. Oh ho ho.
Wow.
ho. That was good.
Bhai, too good.
हाँ.
It's not something that you will find anywhere else.
Yeah, it's
उस लिहाज से
it's quite unique.
Very
Yeah,
good, yeah.
and tasteful.
Thank
I think we should take a thumbnail here with this background. Yeah. Oh, there we go, guys. So end of the chapter here at Food Point in Naseem Al Gharabi. We enjoyed the food a lot. The best thing that we recorded all of this. I've been here before several times, but this was special. Hey, careful, huh? So we recorded this, and it was quite fabulous. The taste was, I would say, extraordinary. Everything was tasteful and delicious. The guys also enjoyed, and thanks to the staff over there, they served us really well, and they are serving everyone really well. In the night there's more rush over there because of the family section as well, but if you come during the day, I think if you can sit and have your food with a lot of peace and definitely taste. How was the food? How was the restaurant?
जबरदस्त, बहुत बेहतरीन था,
बहुत बेहतरीन।
बड़ा मजा आया। हालांकि दूर था, लेकिन हमने
दूर था, लेकिन हाँ।
चांस ले लिया भाई। ये
It
बात
was-
से जो है ना ट्राई किया हुआ था।
हाँ।
हमने कहा चलो चलते
It
हैं।
was worth it, हाँ।
वरना तो पुराने खा के हम लोग वहाँ पे एक ही रेस्टोरेंट मिला हुआ है, 3-4 बस उधर जा के खा
हाँ।
गए थे। तो ये कुछ डिफरेंट था।
Different था वाकई, हाँ. So now we are planning to go to Dunkin to have tea, the Kadak tea, and then we'll have a good time, relaxing, chit-chatting, and check out the weather. It was actually sunny out here before, but now it's there was a guy, I think he wanted to come in the video, but anyways, now he went away. But check out the weather today in Riyadh. And have a look at this wonderful car. Arslan, we made a review video for this car before on the Street View channel. Yeah.
And once again.
Yeah, once again we are headed towards Dunkin in Arslan's very comfortable and fabulous car. हाँ ये आ गई ना ये, लेकिन वो मेरा ख्याल है दूसरी। हाँ सही है, सही है। We found a parking. Now we are going to Dunkin. The Kadak tea of Dunkin is actually
Good,
quite good. Yeah. Have you people tried it? An unlikely choice, Dunkin for Kadak, but it's actually good. It's actually
I'm
good.
sure
yeah.
अब next channel जो होगा
हाँ.
that will be Talha food
Food
vlog.
vlogs. Talha and Company food vlogs. All of us will continue.
नेक्स्ट अबीर ज़ैदी।
Let's go to Dunkin. What do you think about this?
You will not find this anywhere, I think.
Ah,
It's good.
definitely good. Yeah.
For the first time.
I think this one is also good. This. pretty normal style, but
Now I'm thinking. With speaker.
there's a speaker. No way.
Remove the speaker before washing.
Oh my goodness, it has a speaker in it, man. Wow. Guys, honestly, this is some pretty innovative stuff. You see, they have this one. You see,
I think this one.
you can keep it in your bags. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this one is good because it's not breakable.
Not breakable. You can put it in your bag, in your luggage, anywhere. Yeah. Quite some impressive stuff that they have over here. But the speaker one was actually quite good.
हज के लिए मैं-
Hajj के लिए हाँ हो सकता है. This is good actually. He is planning on doing a Hajj inshallah this year. So more power to you. See guys, here goes the reveal. Here's the reveal. So we have a
Boston cream. vanilla
Boston
glaze,
cream glazed
and classic.
one. Yeah. So guys, you have to try the kadak tea and you have to give me a review of. Yeah. We'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, how was the tea?
Great.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, I give the honest comment.
Yeah.
This branch was not good.
This branch was not
Yes.
good. That
The
one
other
was
one was
good. Yeah. The other one that we had over there, it was King Abdullah Road, and it was good. The taste over there was actually good. Guys, check this out. Guys, check out the pigeons in the sky, flying very low. You see, it's not just one, two. It's a huge flock of these. And it's been like this for the past 1 kilometer. Okay, Fazan.
Okay, bhai.
Pleasure meeting you. Inshallah, we'll meet again. Yeah. Inshallah, we'll meet again. Have a good day. Check this out, guys. We have a gadget. We are gonna try this. It's a air blower. Before you get it wrong, it's actually just an air blower.
So
Yeah.
this dirt first.
See, we are gonna try this. Oh, check this out, guys. Ah, interesting. Let me try this. Okay, so here we go, guys. Oh, you can set the level over here. It's such a handy tool, huh?
Yes, rather
Yeah.
very important.
Very important and also quite soothing to use. How much did it cost? 130. Yeah. Now that's how to do it like a pro. Yeah.
I'm doing it every day.
Wonderful. So this is the end of the vlog. What a wonderful day we have had. The sun isn't too harsh today and feels so soft on the skin. The weather is good.
Yeah, well,
We had a good time
vitamin
together.
C.
Yeah, vitamin C. Thanks for the lunch.
Thank
It
you
was
for
a wonderful time.
recommending.
Yeah, exactly. It was
Now
amazing.
we'll recommend it more,
Yeah, we'll recommend it more. We'll go there more.
and we'll have the compliment.
Yeah, inshallah.